Hello, good morning. This is Alexander. Uh, Today is the 23rd of September 2022, and this is my chat breakdown. On Wednesday, we were preparing for the FOMC, and the market was around here, where I said if we got a break of this level here, we could see the market push up. We did not get that break. What we got was a testing candle of this area, and we finally got that break of this level that I said if we got, we would be sellers. We got that break of this level, 1-2 candles break of this level. We see some type of lower high on the lower time frame. Now there seems to be some type of bearish variation of an engulfing around here. So we expect to see how this market wants to fare. If it wants to keep pushing down, there is a lot of downward room for it to push down. So we'll have to take these off. Since the market did not do that and did the opposite, you could see the market was painting some kind of high here, some type of consolidation. We got that first push, that push here, first push of that break here. Then we got another bearish candle, signifying that all this level was still tested. This whole level was a tested area, and as such, when the Federal Reserve increased their rates by 75 base points, you could see how that turned out in the market. So if we see a break of this level, let's box the market off. The only way we could be buyers in this market is when we see the market break this level, so we might want to push the market higher. If not, the market has a lot of downward place to go, and we see the market is currently testing 30,000. So if this candle closes bearish, that means 30,000 has been broken. We might go to the next level, which is 29,500. We might want to see how the market fares around that point. That's US30, AUD, USD. I said if we got a break of this level, we become sellers. What we see a bearish doji, bullish, bearish. We got a retest of that level, a bearish variation of an engulfing, and you can see the market is pushing downwards. And the market keeps giving us lower highs, so we might just see the market keep pushing down. If the market breaks this level here, we would see the market push back down. I am in this trade currently. I want to see how the market will fare. I have a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. So if the market breaks this level, I want to see the market give me a 1:2. If not, then we'll see how it fares. Then let's take this out. Take this out. Take this out. The only way we are buyers is if the market breaks this lower high. We know that already because we trade based off of structure. So if we see a break of this level, we want to see how the market will fare when it breaks, when it pushes back up here. If not, we want to see if the market will go down to this monthly level of 65,500. If it does that, it will be great. USDCHF, we boxed this area off because this point was a point of interest, a point of consolidation, a point of higher low after this big bearish candle. And I said I want to see how the market fares when the market is around here. So Swiss Bank hiked their rate for the first time in a long time, and which is, you see that results there. So we want to see how this market will fare. It looks like it wants to keep pushing higher because of this high momentum. So there's a high probability of we seeing a 1, 2, 3 setup, and as it looks like it's going to work out, and the market keeps pushing higher and higher. So we want to see if this market will run into this level or find some type of resistance around here and give us another point of lower high. Since all these points are lower highs, we want to see if the market would give us some kind of rejection around this level. That would be 16 pips away from where it's at currently. It might want to push back into this level here. All is fair. It can do that also, or it can keep pushing higher and breaking this 98,500 psychological barrier. BTC, we had this lower high here where I said if we see a break, we want a retest and a push, or if we see the markets come to this level and push back down, we want to really see how the market will fare around this level, and it looks like this support is still holding, and we might get a retest of this level to give us a higher low for a pushback up, or we might just see the market keep pushing back down since we are in a lower high scenario. There's still a lot of room for it to go to 17K, 17,500, 16,500 and whatnot. So a lot of room, a lot of downward room is present. Going on the daily, we see a bearish, meaning this level, this support that was pushing right from a long time seemed to have broken, but we now see a big bullish candle. We've seen. We want to see how today's candle closes. If it closes bullish, it means we want to keep pushing higher. If it closes bearish, there is a high potential that the market would continue pushing downward, and we might just see 16,500 in the long run. ETH, same thing. We did not see that break of that resistance we were waiting for. We got that break of some sort of higher low here. We see that retest, and we are seeing bearish momentum. It will be great if we keep seeing that push. So we might see ETH push down to $1,000 as analyzed, or not. We might just see give some type of higher low. If we draw this, we might just see it come back here, give some type of retest and not break this whole level as it has not broken it. It might not break that, and we'll just see the market just push back up after coming back to this level. Or if it breaks it, then we keep pushing downwards. So that is that. Try to keep these classes, this session or this breakdown under 10 minutes, and then I'll see you guys next week. All right, take care and goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and ask your questions. Ask questions. I'll be glad to answer your questions. So goodbye.